Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. In this video we are going to learn the concept refraction through rectangular glass slab. So in the last video we have studied what is refraction and the two laws of refraction, which is very important for the board examination. So if you have not watched that video, you can go to the playlist and you can watch that video. So now in this video let us learn refraction through the rectangular glass slab. Students, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. So in this channel, all very important concepts will be taught in a very simple way, and all the important questions for the board examination will be given. So it will be very helpful for your board examination. So subscribe our channel and continuously follow our channel. So let us start the video now. So now take a rectangular glass slab. So this is the rectangular glass slab. So I have drawn here. So take a rectangular glass slab. So there are two medium here. Outside you have air medium. Air is the rarer medium and glass is the denser medium. So now let us draw the light ray. So students, from this concept, three important questions can be asked in the board examination. So let us learn the concept, and also those three important questions we will learn at the end. So now let us draw the light ray passing from air to the glass. So now, so this is the light ray which is passing like this. So if there was no second medium, it would have passed straight like this. So it would have passed straight like this. So now this is called as incident ray. Let us represent it as IR, incident ray. So now let us draw a normal to this. So this line is called as normal. So students, you know that since here two different medium we have taken air medium and glass medium, therefore instead of passing straight like this, the ray is going to bend. So now the ray of light is going to bend like this. So from here it is going to bend like this. So now this is called as refracted ray. So I'll write it as RR. What is RR? RR is called as refracted ray. So I'll write R and R, refracted ray. So now again it is coming from one medium to another medium. So inside there is glass medium. So it should come out into the air medium. So instead of passing straight like this, it is again going to bend. So it is going to bend like this. So let us draw one more normal now. So this is the normal. Draw a straight line. So this is the normal. So now you can see here the ray is going to bend like this. So instead of passing you straight, so it is going to bend like this. It is going to bend like this. So this is called as, the ray which is coming out is called as emergent ray. I'll write it as ER. What is ER? ER is called as emergent ray. So all the three rays let us write here. So the blue color ray, in blue color what I have written, that is called as incident ray. Incident ray. So you can see incident ray. And then in yellow color what I have written, so that is the refracted ray. So RR is the refracted ray. Refracted ray. And then in white color what I have written, ER, this is called as emergent ray. Emergent ray. So let us see once again the three types of rays. So this is the incident ray. So after entering into the medium, it will bend like this. This is called as refracted ray. So when it is coming out, again it is going to bend like this. So this is called as emergent ray. So it will not pass straight. If it is passing straight, it should pass like this, straight. So instead of passing straight, this refracted ray is going to bend. So this is called as emergent ray. So what is very important here? The first point which is very important here is, See, when it is getting bent, so it is moving towards the normal. This is normal. It is moving towards the normal. So it should have passed like this. Instead of that, you can see it is moving here close to the normal. That is, whenever ray passes from rare medium to the denser medium, the refracted ray will move towards the normal. This is the first point, which is very important. So let us write that. The first point is, whenever ray of light moves from rare medium to the denser medium, rare medium to the denser medium, what happens? So what happens is, the ray of light will move towards the normal. Towards normal. So this question will appear in the examination. So question will come like this. When a ray of light moves from rarer medium to the denser medium, so how it moves? Whether towards the normal or away from the normal. So you have to write it is towards the normal. So here you see one more. So when it is again moving, so this is the denser medium. When it is moving from denser medium to the rarer medium, what happens? So instead of moving close to the normal, it will move away from the normal. So second point you will write here. When it is moving from denser medium to the rarer medium, so what you will see is, the ray of light will move away from normal. Away from, so away from normal. So this is the first point which will come in the board examination. So second important point. So what is second important point here is about the angle. So here you can see this angle, that is the angle between the normal and the incident ray. This angle is called as angle of incidence, and it is represented by small I. So this angle is called as angle of incidence, and this angle is called as angle of refraction, and it is represented by small r. That is, between the normal and the refracted ray, this angle is called as angle of refraction. So whether both the angle is same or different, so both the angles are different, because this is bigger and this is small, you can see here. So this angle is equal to this angle, but here it is shifted, therefore this is small. So angle of incidence is greater when compared to angle of refraction. So you will write second point. Angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. So when the ray moves from rarer medium to denser medium. And second, you see here. So here this angle, again this angle is called as angle of incidence, and this is called as angle of refraction. So let me write here. So this angle is angle of incidence and this is angle of refraction. So whether it is same or different, they are different again. So this is big and this is small. So angle of incidence is small when compared to angle of refraction. So you will write here, angle of incidence is small when compared to angle of refraction. That is when the ray of light is moving away from denser medium to the rarer medium. So this is about the angles. So this angle of incidence is big and this is small. Similarly here, this is small and this is big. So about the angle, if it is asked, you have to write that. Third important point is about the lateral displacement. So that is, see, this is called as incident ray. And what is this ray called as? This ray is called as emergent ray. So you can see both are parallel to each other, and the distance between them is called as lateral displacement. So third important point is about lateral displacement. Lateral displacement. So what is lateral displacement? So you will write that the perpendicular distance. So the perpendicular distance between the incident ray and the emergent ray, this distance is called as lateral displacement. So these are the three important questions which can appear in the board examination. So I hope it is clear to you. Remember three rays: incident ray, refracted ray and emergent ray. So there are three rays, and about the angle you should know, and about lateral displacement. So this is the concept which is very important, and these three questions you have to remember for the board examination. So students, I'll meet you in the next video. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section.